Hi guys, I'm Rohit and I was posting Salesforce videos in this channel and I am thinking of changing my domain. So we are going to do vibe coding as my presentation says. It's not just vibe coding, but we are just going to pick an idea, open the editor, start building without overthinking, without endless planning, just pure execution. But with a small amount of trust. You're not going to build some random projects or some demo projects or toy projects. You're going to build real problem solving, production ready products, that too in public. That means you will see everything from the architecture decisions, the mistakes that I make, the fixes I bring, and the final product. Sometimes I'm going to bring the problem that I'm planning to solve. Sometimes I might ask you guys to drop your ideas in the comment section so that I can pick one of the ideas and build that. So this is an introductory video on what I'm going to do. I'm going to post 2 videos in a week, probably an hour of what we're going to do. Then I'm going to compress that into 20 minutes video, but you will see everything. So in this video, I would like you to drop your ideas. And if I find anything that is interesting, we will pick that, or I have a problem statement that I would like to solve, which will be out in the next week. See you guys. Bye.